guys, this is the Shining Shy Squad, and as you can see, we're only two because Sha or Sushi is offline.
I am serving the runway.
Di talaga.
Okay,
So
magbabackflip na
today
lang.
we're gonna be playing MM2. So yeah.
You cannot get me.
And maybe there's gonna be some like campers, so maybe we'll scream, okay? Ushibal.
May nanalo siya.
Okay. So the round is starting. Let's vote for the
Okay,
map.
let's vote for map.
Yeah.
If it's house, we're gonna go to the house.
House. Go.
House. House is the best map.
You know, Shy is like
House.
the richest member out of all of us.
Oh, magra-rampa muna ako. Ah!
Lang tamad. What the
We're gonna start the round now.
Where are you?
I'm innocent.
Me too. The next round, we can't say our identity. Keratin.
Come with me. Let's go to a secret room.
Oh, I know that.
Okay, mga foodies. Whoa!
I'm gonna try to go out and see who's the more. Oh my.
I know.
Oh! Oh, victory!
Ayan.
Hey,
We're
victory.
gonna do a game of 3 rounds, and after we're gonna end the video.
Bro, a guy keeps
Right?
following me.
We need to wait. I need to do something.
So guys, maybe next week we're gonna be full with all the full members. Cause right now, Sushi or Isabel is, like in Australia and they're busy right now. Yeah. So we're just gonna wait for shootings. Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Round starting, bro. Where are you, bro?
Here, I'm here.
Saan? Ay, hi. Dito tayo. Oh, shootings! I just got killed.
Okay, time to kill some people.
Girl, you... Okay, yeah. So, guys, the murder. Ikaw pala eh. Uy, sheriff siya.
Boom lagi.
Aray mo. Blueberry muffin.
Okay?
Tiyampol.
Watch me eat.
Tiyampil.
Can you spectate how many people left?
1, 2, 3. Ay, 2. So, blueberry is the red. Oh, aray mo, pakaak. aray mo.
Okay, we're gonna do last round, and after we're gonna end our vid.
How do you even have some, knives? I only have the classic ones. I'm so broke.
Oh, I'm level 12, and someone traded me it for free.
Uy, hotel. Hotel ulit.
But I will get you. Kilala mo yun ako sa pangalan, but not in the movement.
Ay.
Guys, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay. Innocent. Oh, shootings. Hmm. Oh, they can't see me. Okay. Oh, she thinks. Okay. I have something to tell you guys for this. This guy right beside me has been following me since I joined, bro. Whenever I walk past him, he's gonna like look at me, bro. Help. That's so weird. Who's the murder?
I'm back.
Oh, hi. Who's this?
Hi. I just hid in a hiding spot.
Someone killed me.
Wait. Foodies, this video now. Bye, foodies. Bye.
Not yet, eh.
Ay,
6
joke
minutes
lang.
lang.
Ano?
6 minutes pa lang.
Okay, hanggang 8 minutes, okay?
We were mute because my parents, they went into my room. So I had to mute, okay? Okay? Office ako.
And we are gonna make some ASMR.
Te, round starting na.
Ay. Now we're gonna
Innocent pa naman.
I'm gonna just hide.
Where?
My DK.
Oh, I see you.
Who is following us?
I don't know. Oh, she thinks. Oh, she thinks. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Dadan.
I saw the murder. Oh, she thinks. Let's run, let's run.
Let's come. I'm gonna hide here.
Hide. Obvious. Oh, she thinks.
We're safe for now. Nakikita yung body natin, te. Nakikita yung body natin.
How? Okay, this is taking too long. Oh, eh. Oh, she thinks. Oh, she thinks. Oh, no. I escaped the murder. Oh! I do like that guy.
Kala niya Chloe ganda eh. Hindi naman siya ganda eh. Ay, no. Not safe.
Mansion tayo, mansion 2. Hotel or mansion?
I don't know.
Hotel daw. You have this, don't give me. Ano? Wait, there's tea, I think.
Wait, guys. I need to go now. Mga furries, I need to go out.
Ah,
Guys,
So
Never
for
mind.
this,
I will still play with you.
we're still gonna play, okay? He's lying.
Okay.
I think there's beef in the comment section, bro. Ikaw pala yung murder eh.
Guys, I need to go now, and we're gonna end the vlog here. Bye.
Where? Where?
And Hindi siya.
Bye, foodies.
Wait. Bye, foodies.
Love you,
I'm gonna end
bye.
the call.